G'day, you nines, and welcome to this brand new world of digital learning. For the rest of term two, your lessons are going to drop in Google Classroom like they normally would, but each of them is going to come with just a short 3-minute little video with me or Miss Osterman, just quickly explaining to you what this lesson is going to look like. So, very quickly, in history, as a recap, as you know, we've been doing the Industrial Revolution. We've already looked at the Industrial Revolution being a British revolution, and we've seen that it was started and generated with the discovery that coal can release a lot of energy. For today's lesson, we want you at page 282 of your textbook looking at the developments in transport. You might be amazed to discover that up until 1750, which is the start of the Industrial Revolution, human beings had never been able to travel faster than was able to be carried by their feet, by a horse, or by sail on a boat. In fact, the speed of travel peaked during the time of the Roman Empire, and it just fell away from then until we get to the Industrial Revolution. And, of course, it's coal, the development of the steam engine, that really starts to pick up the speed of movement. What we would like you to do is to follow the instructions in your Google Classroom, read over this chapter, and then answer the questions at the end. If you have any questions or you're unclear about things, please make sure you record those somewhere and bring them to our Zoom meeting. Our weekly Zoom meetings are going to be your opportunity to hit myself and Miss Osterman up with any comments, questions, or concerns that you have. Make sure you stay on top of things. Make sure you're aware of your assessments and what you need to do there. And we look forward to journeying with you this term in this brand new space. Catch you later, guys.